Would you like to go on an airplane?
Yes!
Where would you like to go?
To Mickey Mouse.
Where?
On the airplane.
Where is it going?
To Mickey Mouse.
Where does Mickey Mouse live?
In a America?
Yeah. Who else lives in America?
Poppy!
Poppy does. Who else?
Who else? Tatiana?
Tatiana? And who else?
Who else?
Uncle.
No.
Uncle.
Sean?
Yeah.
Uncle Sean.
And who else?
Who else?
Courtney.
Yeah!
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Can't wait?
Yeah. And me too?
And you too?
Yeah. And you too,
Yeah?
Mommy?
Who else should we bring?
Daddy?
Yeah? Who else?
Ellie?
Ellie? Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.